niyaniriire riria riukite na ithumura kuri arimi aria kwa ihinda makoretwo mahatiriirio ni thogora mukiruku hari bataraitha undu uria uraigite ruhonge rwa urimi hatikaini. Hari mathogora meru maria maniriirwo ni minista wa urimi Peter Munya, bataraitha ya DAP igwite na ciringi 3,200 kuma ciringi 3,000 nginyagia ciringi 2,800, uria ikagwa na ciringi 3,800 kuma ciringi 3,500 nginyagia ciringi 2,700. Guku nakuo CAN ikigwa na ciringi 1,950 kuma ciringi 3,900 nginyagia ciringi 1,950.
You look at these prices, these are actually the pre-COVID prices. So we have reduced the fertilizer prices by more than half.
Bataraitha ya NPK inayo igwite na ciringi 1,900 kuma ciringi 4,900 nginyagia ciringi 3,000. MOP ikagwa na ciringi 1,300 kuma ciringi 3,800 nginyagia ciringi 2,500. Uko nakuo bataraitha muthemba wa sulfate of ammonia ikigwa na ciringi 1,300 kuma ciringi 3,800 nginyagia ciringi 2,500.
The government has set aside Kenya shillings 5,734 million to subsidize 114,000 metric tons. That is 2,280,000 50 kg bags of fertilizer for farmers growing food crops.
Niguo gwithemana na ciiko cia andu kugura bataraitha na uingi na kumihuthira hari kuonjorithia, ministry no niyaniriire mawatho meru kwa muhiano ikinya ria kugiria uguri wa bataraitha makiria ngonia 10 hari o murimi.
We are restricting the quantities that each farmer can buy, restricting it to 10 bags. 5 bags for the planting fertilizer and 5 bags for the top dressing.
Ikinya riri ni ritanyitwo gukorwo na umithio munene hari magetha migunda-ini kwina ruhonge ruru rukoretwo rugomeirwo ni hathara ya kimera thutha wa kiria kingi makiria kumana na thogora wa iguru wa bataraitha hamwe na indo ingi cia urimi.
This is very good news for farmers, especially at this critical time when they are planting, and the intention for the government basically is to support farmers to produce food for the country.
Munya no agwetete mamwe ma mathina maria makoretwo macungiririe thogora wa bataraitha kuongerereka ica ikuhi ari ni hamwe na wagi wa bataraitha ya kuigana kuma kuri mabururi maria mathondekaga bataraitha na uingi undu mwe na wongerereku wa ngarama ya ukui.
The rise in fertilizer prices is due to producer countries such as China, Russia and Turkey restricting exports to protect their farmers, compounded by heavy consumption demand from India, Brazil and USA, buying large quantities, hence reducing available global supplies.
Bataraitha no igukorwo ikienderio honge-ini ciothe cia NCPB guothe bururi-ini. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV ritũra kwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.